We're going to welcome our newest resident. Hello, you. Hello, you. Welcome our newest resident to the garden. Built a nest. But we're not seeing any action at the moment. That's one of the loveliest things about the garden. The birds who come and call it home. We've got another nest in progress here. Just here. You can see the strands of dried grass that's been collected, and the other thing they use is the cotton from the cotton plant. I have a cotton plant that it became, there's one here, I had to cut it right back. It had become quite diseased in the leaves, and this one still has a bit of issue, but it's nice to see some leaves that are okay. And let's go and see if we can find any cotton that the birds will be using. So they use the dried, the grass. This is grass cuttings that I've spread around here. And I did it because when it rains, these are the areas that get quite muddy. And Cole picks up the mud, and then it's a whole issue with him coming into the house. So here's the first cotton plant we had, and actually I didn't plant this one. This was here, and I didn't realise it was cotton until I kept seeing these little white fluffy things, and then the penny dropped. But so you can see just there, there's a little one, the cotton forming, and then they will open up, although some have opened up already, but there's one there. Okay, there's one there. And as that grows, you would have seen the flower first, and then as this grows, it will pop open and you'll see the cotton. So they use that as well. I did harvest some cotton to use in some of my creative projects. There's another plant here. And the seeds dropped randomly, so around the garden, and in the front we've got another plant there. Don't think there's any here, can't see. No, I think I moved the ones that were here. But they take the cotton, and they use that to help build their nests. We've got some branches that need cutting back. But yeah, so you can see from this side how the nest is taking shape. If you're an expert nest builder. It needs a lot more work. So I guess it's got to find some more material, and that's one of the benefits, that not only putting the grass down to stop the weeds or to stop it being really muddy, but that the birds find it useful as well. And I think there was a nest in the mahogany tree, but I think it's gone now. And then there was a nest here in the shack tree. I know there was one up there in that shack tree. But yeah, they build it where they will. Sometimes here in the pomegranate tree. And sometimes they don't last very long because where they've placed it, it's quite windy here. We get an east-westerly breeze here and it can get really, really breezy, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to make sure that there were areas that were shielded. It was especially initially it was for the plants, shielding the space so that as the wind blew through here, that they could grow without issue. But I think this one found a spot. It's away from, my neighbour's has cats, so it has to be on a branch that's thin enough that if the cat went on it, it wouldn't feel comfortable. And because we have coal chasing away the cats, I think they feel a little bit more secure. But yeah, it's going to be lovely to see what chicks emerge, and I will update you on their journey. Take care for now.